YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday weekend. Everybody is safe. I don't even know what day it is right now. It feels like it's Monday, but it's Tuesday. But anyway, here we go, guys. We are in prime time now. Holiday season has begun. Get ahead early. Ask Santa for one of these. All you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link down below. If it's Amazon, I'll leave that link. And if it's a website, I'll leave theirs. So either or, they are safe links to click. And now we have here, and also see what other goodies they have to offer. You never know. Oh boy, here we go. What is this? Whoa. Oh man, it's heavy. Hold on. Whoa. Now this is pretty cool. Something new. We got the EUFY security wire-free security camera with 4K Ultra HD and solar power. Bionic Mind. Look at that. Dang, these are nice. Really nice. Here we go. Gotta get it from somewhere. Not sure if it's Anchor or, but it'll be corrected in the description. So all you gotta do is click that links and check them out. So either or. Here we go. No monthly free. Oh, sweet. Definitely curious how these look. How do I open these? Hold on. Alright guys, we got it open. Let's see, you get a home base, 2 cameras, network cable, a 12-volt power adapter, USB cable, screw mounting, screws, screw positioning, stickers, welcome card, metal pin for reset. So you get everything in this box. Whoa. Really cool presentation. Look at this little guy. I might have to keep these now and switch out my other ones. I could get this. Man. Some kind of filter. Whoa. Hard drive slot. All you gotta do is pull. Okay, I gotta unscrew that. Then you pull this up, and that's where the hard drive you could put. Here's all the good stuff in the back. Definitely hook this up today. Here's the camera. Really nice. Solar. Now this is cool. You don't have to worry about an extender. It's right on the camera. This is definitely nice. There's a mounting power button. This must be charging cameras. Same thing as the other one. Really nice. Bottom, side. 4K, baby. Alright, now let's see what's else. The welcome kit. Here's all the good stuff. There we go. Put that way. Whoa. Okay, we got everything in here. Power. Ethernet cable. Mounting brackets. Mounting brackets. And these are nice. I just gotta figure out. There's a reset key. So you're gonna need that. screws for mounting. You get 2 packs. And then you get another USB right there. So these are good to go. Rock and roll. We got that out of the way. I'm really impressed with the packaging. Really nice. Definitely a good company when they care about their product and they ship it like this. This is nice. A little sticker. You get the mounting bracket positioning. The screws 1, 2, and that's for the hard drive. Power. Cable. These guys. Reset key. And cameras. Alright guys, next part. We're gonna hook this all up. So this might be a long video. Grab some popcorn. But this thing looks sweet. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I got the home base all connected to the router. Right there is flashing, good to go. Then once you download the app, the EUFY, they're going to ask you for a QR code, which is at the bottom, right there. So let me give it a good scan. If I can find it. Shoot.
Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
There we go. See, once you get it connected, it's going to ask you to press the sync button. And that is right here.
Home base was added successfully.
Give it a name. Check. Alright. Check your firmware. Update. It'll take a second. Alright guys, once you got it set up, should be a blinking in a second. You gotta open the app, add the camera, and then pop up this, scan the QR code, which is right at the bottom. Alright guys, once you do that, it's going to get to your Wi-Fi router, and then confirm. You hit the sync button, and that's right. There we go. You're going to have to scan the QR code, kind of like that. Alright guys, now it's time to install the outside. We got the EUFY 4K security camera. There's the hole where you're going to put this in when you find your spot. I'll show you where my other one is installed in the backyard already. So this is a bracket, this twist. And then you're going to drill the 2 holes right there with these screws that comes with them. Really cool, easy to set up. And I just gotta find a spot for this camera, which I could do in a second. But let me show you where the backyard is right now. Here we go. Here's the solar. That should be getting good charge with these cameras. Sun's out, just coming out. But it's gonna rain the next few days, so might as well get these installed now. But really nice. And then like I said, later on, at the end of this video, I'll show you all the cameras working. But right now, here's the install on the first one. And you can move it any which way you want it. So you can have it pointing there. Just in case, you never know. But I'm gonna have it more like this so I can scan this whole area. Because I already got a camera up there and now a camera down here. Alright guys, we'll show you the second one right now. Alright guys, we are in the front. Got it installed right there. Pretty cool. Should reach about there. And then there. And now we'll show the cameras what they look like through the phone in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, here is the final part of the EUFY security, 4K Ultra HD and solar power. Depending on where you live in the world, you might want to give it a charge 8 hours before you install the cameras, just in case, because of the sun and this, you know how solar works. I gave them a good 8 hours the last night, and now they're fully charged, and it's still kind of sunny out still. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I mean it's a little cloudy, but they are charging outside. Got them installed, one in the front and one in the back. And then now I'll show you the app. These things are amazing. Oops, I gotta log in. Let's make sure you remember your password. Hopefully I can remember it. Oops. Oh, I forgot a couple. There we go. Alright. See? I got a front door or front window. Oops. There we go. Or you can have it like this way. Landscape or portrait. Just gotta make sure I flip my phone. There we go. You can also set your trigger areas. Spotlight is turned on. You can have it turned off. You can have the alarm set, speaker. Hold to speak right here. Then you can go into the settings on top here. You can see everything. Optimal. 81% right now. So I mean it's still good. You can do optimal surveillance, optimal battery life, clips up to 20 seconds, 60 seconds, and so on. Customized recording, battery, external solar, so you can switch. Please confirm you installed a solar panel and connect it to the camera. Let's see what happens. Let's see. It's going to adjust. There we go. So now this is on the solar panel mode instead of the battery mode. So either or. And it has the time and date. I don't know if you guys can tell up top. You can also have the watermark right there. And a 4K right down here. We saw a car drive by. And also the alarm settings I already showed in the other video. And now the backyard. It's coming up in a second. I mean, the camera is amazing. Clear. Perfect. Easy to install. Like I said, it took me a few seconds. I wasn't sure where I'm going to shove these cameras, but I found a couple of spots. So hopefully they stay. But everything's mounted good. So I don't think there's going to be any problems. This might take a second. My internet's been acting up today, kind of funny, so we got some kind of small delay. But that's on my end. Hold on. Alright, we got it. So either or you can have that flipped. There's my backyard. And look at this zoom. 4 times up to go. 2 and 1. Really cool. Clear as day. Hopefully you guys can see it. And then when you go back, see this one has control by the solar panel and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So everything works great. Go switch, general, status LED. You can change it up there. You can change the back door, front door, garage door, whatever you want to have it set up. Video you could change. Power manager, that's what we want. Power source, external, confirm. So now it's going to go off the sun. But like I said, we got cloudy day today, and then next few days it's going to rain. So I think it's good enough charge to hold it. So until the next sunny day, which will probably be this weekend. But depends on where you're at. Like I said, you might want to give it a full 8 hours before you install the cameras, and then install, and then use it off the battery until the sun comes up. You never know. But let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, click on this. Here's your main unit. See, it's like moving. You can see the rays, 2 cameras, and it has off my hard drive. You can also purchase extra hard drives. They got them on the link down below. So just take a look, what size you need and everything. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night.